Alright family, so in this video we're going to be factory resetting a Cisco 2620 router. It's an old school router that doesn't have a mode button on it, so you're going to have to implement the keystroke during power on. So pay attention to that specific task during this process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we make new videos. Thank you. Alright family, so I got a Cisco 2620. It's an older router, and it doesn't have a reset key on it. And so I want to reset it to factory because, as you can see in previous videos, I couldn't get into it. So the first step in order to reset this thing to factory is during the power cycle, you have to hit Control plus FN plus B, which is the break key. Control plus FN plus B. Control FN B. That's going to take you to that ROMMON. At the ROMMON prompt, we're going to change the config register to 0x2142, and then we're going to issue the reset command. Boom. That's going to reset the router. It's going to bypass the login. Right, so this R3 I've been trying to use for my lab, for the Cisco lab, but I really couldn't get access to it. And I tried a few username password combinations and it didn't work. So I ended up just resetting this thing to factory, and then I'm gonna have to add it to the terminal server so that we can get access to it. So once we get this thing factory reset, I'm gonna add it to the terminal server and then hop into it from the terminal server, and that'll be it for today. Right, and then we're gonna go into the configuration terminal, and then we're gonna change the config register. Oh my god. Config register back to 0x2102. We're gonna write that. We're gonna do a show run. Make sure that's all done. And that's gonna be it for that. And then all we have to do is go back in. Right, let me see here. See, the config reg is good. Alright, now let me hop into a different router, grab a piece of that config, and then we're gonna be good. Let me see. Console. back into that terminal server. It's crazy. Oh, that was my bad. Alright, so this where R3 is, right? R2. Alright, so we gotta add that on there. IP host R3. And we gonna need that. Right, so right, then we're gonna add this right here. Then we're gonna go back and check those interfaces again, make sure they are in there, and then we're gonna wind it down for the night. Right, so Control-Shift-6X, show session, show set. Right, R2, R3, let me see, let's go to R1, enable. So let me see, those interfaces are done. R1 interfaces is good. Show sessions. R2, we on session 1. Show run. R2 got 33 and 49. Alright, R3. R3 is on session 2. R3 only has one interface. Interface FE00. One 192.168.1.65. That was a 240. All right. All right. So the terminal server has FE00. Oh, that goes to the internet. FE00, that goes to the internet on the terminal server. That goes to the internet. So I'm gonna erase all of this. FE00 is a DHCP and it goes out to the internet. Right, so let me see. Right, let me see. So FE00 is the internet. And that's FE00, which is DACP. FE0 stroke 0 DACP. Right, so R1 and then R2. Alright. Alright, so that's good. So this is going to be our terminal server. Zero one. '81. I would like to take this time to thank you all for watching our video. Please like and hit the subscribe button and make any comments that you think would make this a better video, or R3 where you think something was missing. I would just like to thank you all one last time for taking time to watch these videos. And if you'd like some one-on-one consultation, or you'd like to see a specific video, please just make a comment in the comment section. And then that's 1.81. I personally respond to all comments, so rest assured, if you make a comment, it should be 81. it's gonna be red,
Alright.
and I'm gonna respond to it myself.
Alright, we in the game. Let me see. Switch one. Alright. Those are closed. Alright, so R2.